Hello，大家好啊，歡迎翻到嚟我呢個 channel。咁咧喺拍完 Paper 3嘅所有片之後咧，咁而家咧就會嚟拍翻 Paper 1啦。咁我哋咧就會第一年嘅2012年再開始翻先啦。咁大家咧就 download 完份 PDF 之後咧，咁就可以左邊同我一樣開翻 Reading Passage 啦，跟住之後右邊咧開翻個 Answer Sheet 咧，咁我哋就即刻開始啦。咁首先咧，呢一篇咧大家寫翻先啦，係一個 feature article 嚟嘅。咁啊 feature article 咧之前咧，喺 Paper 3都應該 cover 過㗎啦，咁就係篇 informal 嘅文章啦，跟住之後入邊咧有一個主題咁樣嘅，OK。嗱，咁咧第一題就要開始啦。咁首先咧，我哋就會望到咧，佢要講翻 Polar Cafe 同埋 Internet Cafes 嘅分別啦。咁首先咧第一段，咁咧呢一個 Polar Cafe 咧，咁入邊咧係做乜嘢嘅咧？咁係呢一度，cafe 係 low tech 啦，switch off 啦，unplug 嘅，OK。咁所以咧 Polar Cafe 咧應該係 switch off 啦，同埋 unplug 啦。跟住之後啦，喺 Internet Cafe 入邊咧，嗰啲人咧係做啲乜嘢嘅咧？咁我哋就睇翻佢調翻轉講嘅嘢啦。Patrons don't 乜嘢啊嘛，OK。咁咧 sit at computer terminals 啦，and raise virtual hot rods 啦。咁即係代表咧，佢哋咧 Internet Cafe 就係呢兩個啦。OK，咁呢個應該都 straightforward 嘅。OK，咁跟住之後第二條啦，點解啲人咧會 greet the cafe with a huge sigh of relief 咧？咁啊 relief 嘅意思即係鬆一口氣啦。OK，咁點解啦？佢嚟到呢間 cafe 啦，就係因為冇啲電腦或者科技嘢啦，咁所以咧就令到佢哋咧就 relief 啦。OK，咁但係咧記住一樣嘢喎，就唔好自己去推論，就係話會唔會因為咧冇 computer，所以咧呢個地方就係好 friendly 咧？一切咧都係以文章為主嘅。咁佢冇講過呢個地方好 friendly、好 homey 嘅話咧，咁我哋就揀翻 C 就得㗎啦。應該好多人咧答錯都因為揀咗 dog 嘅啫。OK，咁跟住之後啦，第二段嘅 main purpose 啦，咁你就一齊望一望啦。board games，咁佢入邊咧都係講翻咧 board games 嘅一啲例子啦。咁所以咧呢一條嘅話咧，我哋就係揀翻 A 啦。provide the definition 即係個定義啊。OK，好啦，咁跟住之後咧第四條啦。OK，第三段入邊咧 going back to 係咩意思？OK，咁咧呢一度咧其實咧喺文章入邊就冇講嘅，咁所以呢條答對率都比較低少少啦，11% 嘅。OK，咁咧但係咧你可以估到大致上要填啲乜啦。咁上面就係講咗啲 cafe 咧，咁就啲人入到去唔係玩電腦嘅，原來咧就係玩棋捉棋咁樣嘅。咁所以咧作者就話 What is the world coming to or going back to？ 咁所以咧你可以估到咧後面咧應該咧係填翻一個時間嘅。OK，咁所以你應該估到啦，就係咧嗰個當時係點咧？就係咧啲人咧係當時玩呢啲嘅 board games 啦，或者係咧呢個時候咧 board games 係好出名啦，好多人玩啦咁樣嘅。咁所以咧就可以咧睇翻呢個答案啦。咁所以咧一定要加翻 a time when，OK，因為咧係時間啊嘛。OK，咁跟住之後啦就會去到第五條啦。咁啊第五條就問呢個 cafe 幾時去開㗎啦？咁呢度咧就應該有寫到 one month ago 嘅。咁我哋就睇翻咧呢篇文章咧係幾時寫㗎啦？咁就喺5月1號度寫㗎啦。咁所以咧我哋寫翻咧 1st of April 2011咁就得㗎啦。OK，咁跟住之後咧第六條咧就其實就係考你呢個倒轉抄嘅技巧啦。咁喺 Paper 3嘅時候相信都教唔少㗎啦。咁就倒轉抄。咁咧阿 Pat 同阿 Dees 嘅 life 咧 before opening the cafe 係點樣嘅咧？咁我哋可以睇下第四段啦。佢哋開呢間 cafe 係為咗咧 slow down the pace of life。咁即係話之前咧佢哋嘅生活咧，你可以寫就係話好急促啦。咁你可以寫最簡單就係 fast pace 啦，或者你可以寫到另外一隻字，如果 vocab 勁啲嘅話就係 hectic 啦，即係好匆忙啊、好趕啊呢啲嘅 schedule 咁樣啦。OK，咁跟住之後啦，第七條咧咁就照樣去睇嘅啫，咁啊喺翻第七段度揾到答案啦。第七段，咁我第七段咧，the cafe specializing in parlor games have caught on in South Korea and China。咁 caught on 嘅意思就係喺一個地方度著名咁樣啦，所以答案咧就係 boy。 咁跟住之後咧，落到去第8條啦。咁呢度咧要稍微去講一講啦，false 同 not given 嘅分別嘅。首先咧，false 咧就係喺文章入邊咧講咗啲相反嘅嘢啦。咁而 not given 咧就係喺文章咧冇提及嘅，或者係啲資料咧係不足以判斷嘅。咁有啲乜嘢嘅例子咧？咁就例如啦，我哋呢度有2個情況啦，一個係 true，一個係 not given 嘅。如果我話啦小明話咧佢中意食橙嘅，跟住之後咧嗰個嘅題目就話咧佢中意食生果，咁呢個啱唔啱咧？係啱嘅，因為咧橙咧的確係生果其中一種啊嘛。OK，咁所以咧如果佢話係橙，你話佢中意食水果咧係啱嘅，因為咧橙咧係水果嘅其中一種，咁呢個咧就係細去大啦。咁但係如果啦，阿小明話佢中意食水果，但係咧你就話佢中意食橙嘅話咧，呢一個到底係 false 定 not given 咧？咁你可唔可以話佢係 false 咧？咁橙的確係水果其中一種嚟嘅喎，但係咧佢中意食水果，代唔代表一定係橙咧？咁就唔係嘅，可以中意食蘋果或者中意食香蕉咁樣嘅。咁所以咧，如果係佢講大嘅，跟住之後咧，你題目咧就問題咧就係講少嘅咧，咁呢個咧就係 not given 啦。OK，就係資料不足以去判斷啦。OK，咁啦，第一個 customers can play board games for 2 hours if they buy 2 drinks。咁呢一個咧咁係啱嘅，咁啊因為喺呢度啦。And for that price，咁咧就上面就俾咗20蚊港紙咧，咁就drinks 就20蚊啦，跟住 that price 咧就可以玩1個鐘頭啦。Buy another drink and play for another hour，咁即係買2杯就玩2個鐘頭啦，所以呢個就係 true 啦。跟住之後啦，就會去到 You need good English to play games imported from Germany or the US。咁我睇翻後面啦 ，There's little foreign text to slow you down。咁即係咩意思啊？即係話咧。嗱，如果有 foreign text 嘅話，就會 slow you down，但係咧係 little，即係話好少呢啲咁嘅嘢啦。OK，咁所以就唔好自己咧就諗住係雙重否定句咁樣嘅啫，所以呢個咧係 false 嘅。跟住之後啦 ，Pat never played Monopoly as a child 啦。咁咧，但係咧個文章入邊就係講 I played nothing but，即係話乜都唔玩，淨係玩呢啲遊戲啦。咁所以咧佢話 never play 咧，咁就係 false 嘅。咁跟住之後啦。下一個 Pat thinks computer games are not as challenging as some board games。咁咧喺第8段嘅尾度應該都揾到 I found a lot interesting board games that were more challenging than anything on the computer。咁即係話呢個調翻轉嚟講啫，咁所以咧都係 true 嘅。咁跟住之後啦，就會去到第10段咧揾一個 originality 嘅字啦。OK， 好多人都會揀咗 pioneer 咧，但係咧 pioneer 咧係咧講緊先鋒啊嘛。OK。即係講緊咧喺呢樣範疇入邊咧，佢第一個做嘅人或者好早去做嘅人，咁呢個係形容人嘅。咁但係 originality 咧唔單止形容人啦，亦都可以形容啲物件嘅。咁所以咧答案咧就係 creativity 啦。OK，咁跟住之後第10題嘅 it refers to 啲乜嘢啦？咁就喺呢度啦。OK，咁咧好明顯都應該係講緊前面嘅 Germany 㗎啦，呢一個就毫無懸念嘅。跟住之後啦，就會去到第11題嘅 dreary 係咩意思啦？咁啊 dreary 咧都講之前咧咁啊唔知有冇同大家講過啦。咁啊 reading 咧其實就唔需要大家去識晒所有字嘅。咁所以咧呢一度咧喺後面咧有啲提示嘅 dreary。咁啊睇得後面啦，有個 where 字。咁記得我講過咧，如果有 where 啊、what 啊、who 呢啲嘅話咧，咁就會係一個 relative clause 啦。Relative clause 後面咧係講緊一啲補充嘅嘢嚟嘅，OK。咁但係今次嘅補充嘢咧，咁就有助我哋咧去揾到個答案啦，OK。Where no one can think of what else to do except eat，咁即係咧諗唔到做啲乜嘢啦，咁所以咧應該就係 boring 啦，OK。咁跟住之後啦，去到第12至第17段啦，咁如果咧你有仔細咁睇個題目咧，你會發現後面咧有一條人物題嘅。人物題嘅話咧，咁佢係第15至21段啦，咁所以咧由第15至21段咧，你可以咧喺個文章度咧去括翻出嚟嘅。咁當然啦，呢一個如果你有個 practice 就係喺睇篇章之前，即係做成份卷之前睇咗嘅話咧，咁就可以更加快咁辨別到出嚟啦。咁今次就冇段落分段啦，淨係得人物分類嘅啫。OK。咁啊，第12至17啦，咁啊 Pat 咧係講可以喺嗰個玩 board games 度咧可以學到啲乜嘢啦。咁啊 Pat 咧咁喺邊度講過嘢咧？咁就喺呢一度嘅。 第13段呢度。咁咧，所以應該咧可以係 problem solving 啦，應該揀到 problem solving。咁所以抄開呢兩隻字咧，咁就答得啱噶啦。咁跟住之後咧，去到 Benson 啦，咁啊 Benson 咧講咗啲乜嘢咧 ？Benson 喺第14段啦。咁咧喺第15段咧，亦都有 Benson 講嘢嘅。咁啊，可能咧會抄咗咩 lot more satisfaction 啦。咁但係咧題目咧係問你 learn 喎。咁所以咧，你喺嗰個嘅文章入邊咧，就要揾翻 learn 呢個字啦，或者咧係主動嘅就係 teach 啦，一個 learn，另外一個咧就係 teach 啦。OK。咁所以咧呢一度咧喺第15段就應該可以揾到 it promotes 啲乜嘢啦。OK。咁都係差唔多意思啦。Sharp wit and logic 啦。OK。咁所以如果你寫到呢四隻字嘅話咧，就答得啱噶啦。OK。咁呢個 sharp 字咧唔一定要嘅，咁啊括住喺 marking scheme 入邊。跟住咧就去到A 啦 ，OK，咁咧就佢喺後面咧就講到呢度啦，你望到個 learn 字啊 ，learn about 乜嘢啦，咁所以就學到 teamwork and society，所以寫呢三隻字咧咁就有啲分啦。跟住之後咧就會落到去第13條啦，咁第13條咧係第三計度有啲 tricky 嘅啫 ，OK，咁首先咧第一格咧咁你就會見到有啲 card 啦，有啲 card 啦 ，OK，咁所以咧呢一個咧就應該係Dixit 嘅，咁你會望到呢度。In Dixit, player receive cards with illustrations and take turns giving clues about them to the others。咁咧冇其他係講 cards 噶啦，所以呢個咧就係 Dixit 啦。咁跟住之後啦，我哋就講咗第三個先啦。OK，咁你睇翻咧第13段。OK，咁喺 Kids of Castle 嗰呢度咧，咁就入邊 You place tiles to form paths and then try to close them off with wooden tokens。咁所以咧，你會望到係有個 path 喺度嘅，咁用啲 tokens 去形成一條路啦。咁所以咧呢一個咧就係個 Kids of Carcassonne 啦。OK，咁呢一個咧好多人會揀咗呢一個咧係 Kids of Carcassonne，唔係啦，因為咧呢度咧係冇所謂嘅 path 喺度嘅。OK，同埋都冇乜嘢 tiles 啦，同埋咧 wooden tokens 嘅。OK，咁所以咧記住啦，呢一題咧係有4分嘅。咁所以咧一個唔用嘅咧，咁就寫 not given 啦。OK，咁跟住之後啦，最後尾一個咧，咁就喺呢度啦。Railways to the world, you build railroads to deliver goods to cities。咁呢一個係一架車啦，咁所以咧就一定係 railways 啦。OK，咁記住咧，寫晒個全名喺度。OK，咁跟住之後啦，就會去到呢一度15至21啦。咁啊15至21，咁啊 Benson 咧。咁就講啲乜嘢咧？咁其實首先咧，我哋睇嗰個句子之前咧，我哋可以睇咗咧題目入邊咧俾你嘅關鍵字先嘅，係啦。咁啊 A 呢度咧就講咗就係 getting together with friends 啦，咁所以可能係關一啲socializing 啊嘅一啲嘢嘅。咁跟住之後啦 B 啦，咁就係咩？佢 go head to head with a keyboard and a console，咁即係覺得咧呢一啲嘅 board games 係可以同一啲嘅遊戲，即係打機嗰啲遊戲去對抗啦。跟住之後啦，第 C 就係講緊本身咧就唔係好中意啲遊戲，但係嚟咗之後咧咁就中意啦。嚟咗 cafe 之後，第4個咧就係 improve skills in workplace 啦，工作技巧啦。E 咧就係 learn new words，咁就有可能係啲 new vocabularies 啊嗰啲嘅。OK，咁所以咧 Benson 喺第15段嘅講就係話佢可以咧有啲 skills 可以用喺 marketing job，咁你應該咧就可以 match 到咧D 俾佢啦。OK，跟住之後啦，16段嘅 A 咧。咁佢就咁咧，佢就講咗話teamwork and society 嘅 ，OK，咁咧，咁但係咧，其實佢本身咧呢度咧就講咗，she was never big on games，but she's really taken by the fun she's found here，OK，咁即係佢本身 never big on，即係本身對於啲遊戲冇興趣，咁咧跟住之後嚟到之後咧就開始中意玩啦 ，OK。咁所以咧，千祈咧就唔好俾佢呢個teamwork and society fit 咗啦，你哋就以為係 getting together 啦。OK，teamwork 咧並唔等於咧係同啲朋友 get together 嘅，呢個應該係 socializing 先啱嘅。咁你再睇翻第18段，你發現一個更加好嘅答案啦。阿 Pat 咧咁就話咧 pleasant socializing，咁所以咧 get together with friends 咧咁就係阿 Pat 啦。跟住之後啦，就會去到咧阿 D 啦。OK，阿 D 咧咁就係喺第20段講咗咧。It can also improve children's vocabulary。咁所以咧，其實你喺文章入邊見到啲人物咧都可以咧係框住咗先嘅。OK，不過第18段啦，呢一度啦 ，Benson 啦，阿 A 啦 OK， 咁所以啦 ，improve vocabulary 咁咪就係 learn new words 啦。跟住就 the writer 啦。咁啊，你可能就會諗啦，佢寫呢篇文章到底邊度係佢講嘅咧？咁就係喺佢冇乜點 quote 人嗰度啦。你會見到咧，基本上咧每一段咧都有去 quote 一個人出嚟啦，但係咧係有啲段入邊係冇嘅。咁而21段咧就係其中一段啦。OK， 21段入邊咧咁就講咗話Have you seen the latest iPad and Xbox? How can you compete with that? 咁即係佢覺得咧，到底呢一啲嘅棋類遊戲係咪真係可以同啲 board games 去對抗咧？咁所以咧就答案咧就係 boy 啦。OK， 咁就呢 part 咧應該都頗 straightforward 嘅。咁跟住就話呢個有一段嘢都帶落下一題啦。OK， 咁你會望到佢有好多問題嘅，咁即係代表其實咧佢都咁，但係咧呢度入邊咧都仲有啲答案去有啲 confusing 啦。Positive 即係代表咧佢係正面啦。Worry 即係擔心啦。Doubtful 咧即係疑慮啦。OK，neutral 即係中性啦。咁所以啦，應該咁多問題嘅話咧，就應該係對佢都頗有疑慮，咁所以就係 doubtful 啦。Worry 嘅話就冇咁多問題，咁所以呢個就係主要嘅分別啦。跟住之後啦 ，According to Pat，why do parents want to keep their children away from TV and computer 咧？咁就會喺呢一度啦。OK，parents want pastime 就會 keep their children away from the TV and computer。咁啊喺文章度揾翻呢一個先啦。咁到底點解咧？咁就係原因喺後面啦。They're trying to get back into more interactive things now。咁即係佢哋咧想要啲 interactive 嘅嘢啦。OK， 咁當然啊呢一 part 咧，咁就可以寫翻抄翻呢個啦。OK， 咁咧因為咧喺文章喺題目度問咗你 parents 同埋 children 啦，咁所以咧喺題目度咧都抄翻嗰個嘅 subject 翻嚟啦。OK， 咁所以改少少字嘅啫，咁所以應該可以抄到呢一個嘅。跟住之後咧，第17條啦 ，alternative 嘅 subtitle 啦。咁先喺文章入邊咧，你會望到呢一個最頂嘅係 title 啦。咁跟住之後呢一個咧，咁就係 subtitle 啦。OK， 副標題啦。咁記住咧，喺 subtitle 呢一啲咧，係唔應該去寫一啲 specific 嘅 examples 嘅。因為咧 specific 嘅 examples 咧係唔夠概括性去總結成篇文章啦。咁首先去睇翻呢一邊啲嘅 option 啦。OK， 咁咧 parlour games 即係代表咧係一啲棋類遊戲啦。係咪係講佢成篇文係咪講緊棋類遊戲係比呢啲嘅電腦遊戲更加多人玩咧？咁又唔係啊，完全唔係呢個意思。跟住就啦 ，board games are winning awards in the gaming world。咁佢呢度咧只係講過一個啫。OK。咁只係講咗 Germany 啫，咁所以咧呢一個咧佢咁樣概括又唔係太啱啦。Parlour games are hits in Thailand's cafes。咁呢一個咧亦都唔係全篇文章嘅意思啦，咁所以正確嚟講應該係呢個啦。Cafe patrons 即係顧客啦。Swap their high-tech games 即係唔打機啦，跟住就轉翻 old-fashioned ones 即係玩翻棋啦。咁所以咧呢一個答案咧咁就會係 A 啦。咁跟住之後去到後面啦，呢一個咧第18條啦。咁咧喺舊啲嘅卷入邊咧，啲題目咧咁就唔跟次序啦。咁當然咧新啲卷入邊咧，亦都唔跟次序嘅，係啦。咁但係咧呢一個係最原始嘅summary clause 或者 close passage 嘅版本啦。咁咧佢就係叫你 use one word 嘅。咁呢度咧就唔使照抄嘅。OK， 咁啊新啲嘅卷咧會叫你 taken from 啦。咁即係呢度咧嘅字咧可以改 grammar 啦。OK。咁我哋睇一睇咧，第一個啦 ，Phase 2乜乜乜 ，RAM 乜乜乜 Bangkok Thailand。咁所以你應該可以估到咧，呢一 part 咧係叫你填地址啦 ，address 啦 ，OK。咁喺文章入邊邊度咧有講地址咧？咁就應該係呢一度啦。咁你會望到 Phase 2乜乜乜 RAM Idra 乜乜 Road 乜乜 Thailand。咁所以你要填嘅咧就係 Crystal Design Centre 啦，OK。咁所以咧幫手填翻個答案落去。跟住之後啦，就會去到 About Us 啦。咁啊，通常咧，有啲 feature article 去介紹嗰個嘅 subject 嘅時候咧，都會喺文章比較前少少嘅地方咧，去介紹佢嘅。咁所以你應該可以喺第7段入邊咧去揾到 specializing， 即係專門去做啲乜嘢啦。咁啊 ，parlour games 可以喺度去揾到啲關鍵字啦。OK， 咁所以抄翻 specializing 就 OK 啦。跟住之後啦，就去到咧佢有幾多隻 game 去俾人哋揀啦。 咁咧就會喺第8段呢度啦。OK，40 games 啊。OK，咁所以你可以抄40落去啦，或者可以40寫翻英文都得嘅。OK，咁你就前面題目都問過啦，買啲乜嘢可以玩1個鐘頭咧？就係 drink 啦。但係記住咧，千祈唔好抄個 s 落去啦，因為呢度咧係 singular 嘅，因為 one 啊嘛。OK，跟住之後啦 ，Our cafe is very cozy with 乜嘢 chairs 啦？喺邊度有講過 chairs 咧？就應該係第6段嘅，咁就可以抄翻 comfy 落去啦。跟住之後啦，就會去到點玩啦 ，roll a pair of 乜嘢啦？咁喺文章入邊應該咧都只係一個地方去講到 roll 啲乜嘢嘅啫。咁就係你都知道 roll 嘢就係 roll dice 啦，咁所以就喺呢度抄翻 roll a pair of dice 啦，咁一定要抄個 dice 落去啦。跟住之後 a deck of picture 乜嘢就係 cards 啦，好似覺得好簡單嘅。咁跟住之後啦，跟住咧呢題咧就要去學個句式啦。咁呢度有個拔字啦，咁即係拔即係代表轉折啦。咁即係咧一係就負去正，一係就正去負嘅。咁我哋睇下拔後面嗰度先。But still lots of fun。呢度係講正面嘅，咁所以前面咧即係講負面嘅啦。咁所以咧呢一度我哋可以睇翻咧，到底成篇文章幾時有講過咧？board games 嘅唔好咧，咁就係第1段啦。OK，咁呢個 cafe 咧係 low tech 嘅，咁所以咧呢一度正正講咗 board games 嘅唔好處啦，咁就係 low tech。咁跟住之後咧就會去到 products 啦。OK，if you really like our games，you can buy them to play 乜嘢。咁呢度咧都係改少少嘢嘅啫。OK，咁就呢一度啦。如果第11段，if you like a game 乜乜乜，if you want to take it home，咁 take it home 即係 buy them to play 乜嘢啊 ？at home 啦。OK，咁你就 opening hours 咧亦都係最後尾一段啦。咁你可以望翻啦。OK。咁就 weekdays 咧就開1點，晏晝1點至9點。OK，weekends 就開朝頭早11點去到夜晚嘅10點鐘。咁所以 Monday to 乜嘢啊？應該係 Friday 啦，因為係平日啊嘛。1 PM to 9 PM。跟住之後咧，後面咧有2格嘅，咁呢度咧應該咧係將佢括埋啦。咁其實你應該估到係咩答案㗎啦？咁呢度咧就係 weekends 啊嘛，所以 weekend 咧。咁就係寫翻 Saturday。咁我哋模仿翻前面啦。咁Monday 同埋 Friday 呢度咧就冇 S 嘅，咁所以咧就唔使寫 S 啦。所以呢度咧就寫 Sunday 啦。跟住就 from 11 AM to 10 PM。咁但係咧，其實喺 marking scheme 度你會望到咧，呢3條咧係冇答對 percentage 嘅，咁所以即係代表咧取消咗啦。咁就可能因為出題太刁鑽啦，咁所以取消咗。咁不過咧，咁我覺得咧。都係可以有能力去做到嘅。OK，最後呢一條啦，咁就係 visit 乜嘢啦？咁呢個好明顯就係一個網站啦，所以就寫翻 website 啦。OK，跟住之後就去到最尾嗰2條啦。Why are board games making a comeback？Comeback 即係回歸啦。咁點解佢會回歸咧？咁所以咧應該就係講緊啲人咧點樣啦。OK，咁其實有好多答案嘅。咁呢度咧俾翻最簡單嘅答案。OK 啦。咁咧通常呢啲咧第19同第20題咧抄翻佢啦。咁呢啲咧就叫做歸類題啦。OK，歸類題。OK，咁就所以咧呢啲題目咧第一時間咧唔係睇文章嘅。因為咧你要睇文章抄太耐啦，咁所以我哋可以抄題目，你答咗咩答案？咁咧記得頭先有一條咧，我哋就講咗呢一個嘅 ，OK？咁2個阿 Pat and D 咧去開呢間 cafe 啦，咁就想咧令到咧佢哋生活咧係緩慢少少，個 pace of life 慢啲嘅 ，OK？咁所以你就可以寫翻啦，但係要轉一轉 subject 喎。咁記住咧呢一度要加翻 people want to，OK？你就可以寫 people want to slow down the pace of life， 咁就可以寫到 board games，why board games are making a comeback 啦。OK， 咁又或者咧，你有其他答案都得嘅。咁個文章入邊咧都有講唔少嘅其他答案啦。咁包括咧就喺第14段啦。第14段啦，你可以寫到 more satisfaction in playing against human opponents 啦。又或者咧可以寫嗱呢個 mark 翻啦，咁呢度可以寫19啦。跟住之後啦，呢一度啦 ，OK， 呢個 parents want pastimes 呢個咧都得嘅，咁照抄咧啱 grammar 咧咁就得㗎啦 ，OK， 咁所以第19條咧咁就有3個答案可以寫到啦。 跟住就第20題啦。Can board games compete with computer games？ 如果咧你係寫 yes 嘅話，你就可以寫翻 board games 嘅好處啦。如果係唔好嘅話咧，如果 no 嘅話就寫翻 board games 有啲咩唔好處啦。咁咧 board games 嘅唔好處咧，啱啱咧都淨係講過一個嘅啫。咁就係上面嗰個 low tech 啦。咁但係呢度咧要寫翻完整句子啦。咁咧呢個就寫翻 board games are low tech 啦。咁中間加翻個 hyphen。OK。咁跟住之後啦，又或者啦，咁跟住之後咧，你去寫嗰個嘅 yes 嘅時候咧，咁你就可以講翻一啲好處啦。咁咧好處嘅話咧，咁就例如有more interactive 啦，或者係 social 啦呢啲嘅。咁但係我自己咧就寫翻嘅最 simple 嘅答案啦。咁啊，你可能喺呢度咧可以望到咧嗰個嘅價錢啦，佢寫咗價錢。咁你會望到呢個價錢咧，應該咧係比呢個嘅 computer games 咧係更加平嘅。咁你就可以寫到 board games are cheaper than computer games 啦，或者你可以寫 more interactive 啦，係啦，咁所以咧基本上咧就係咁啦。咁所以咧成篇嚟講咧入邊有幾條 challenge 嘅部分啦，咁但係相信大家咧睇完呢條片之後咧都應該咧去理解到嘅。咁跟住之後咧呢一個咧就會係講翻啦，咁咧呢個就係2012年嘅 cut off 啦，咁咧就係做完你嘅 Part A 再加埋 B1 或者 B2 咧，咁啊計出嚟嘅分數嚟嘅。咁喺官網度咧，咁其實2012年咧咁就冇列出嗰個 cut off 啦，咁呢個都係我攞翻每年嘅平均值去計嘅啫，咁所以大家可以作為一個參考啦。咁跟住之後咧下一段片咁大家咧就睇翻自己做邊 part 啦。